Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. It's officially the most wonderful time of the year. I've come up with a few homemade gifts to send out this holiday season. We've got our vanilla oatmeal soap bars, candy cane sugar scrub, and apple cinnamon lip scrub. This is everything you'll need for the sugar scrub. I'm really just eyeballing everything and making this based on the size of the container I'll be putting it in. Pretty much 10-to-1 ratio of white and red sugar. Two drops of vitamin E oils to prevent your scrub from drying out. Almond oil for moisturizing benefits. It looks like a lot, but I used about 10 drops of peppermint essential oil for the candy cane scent. And a couple tablespoons of room temperature coconut oil to leave your skin feeling smooth and moisturized after all that scrubbing. This is the consistency you should get. So I'm going to fill this 8-ounce plastic mason jar that I got from Hobby Lobby with the scrub. I got these stickers from the same place. For our soap, I'm using the Shea Butter Glycerin soap base and some plain oatmeal. Now don't overstir. I did melt down the soap base in boiling water and it's still hot. You don't want to turn it into hot oatmeal. It's okay if you make a mess. It'll dry up and scrape right off. So here's some that I made earlier in the day and packed nicely. Now for each step, you want to make sure that you wash your hands thoroughly with antibacterial soap. You don't want to introduce any bacteria into your products, which could contribute to some unwanted growths. For the lip scrub, I'm using 1 part Vaseline and 1 part honey. Don't add too much food coloring, it will dye your lips. And there you have it. And these kind of gifts mean a lot because you have put time into them. Plus, they're all natural and have a long shelf life due to the use of the sugars. Hope you all enjoyed this video and stay tuned for more holiday DIY videos. Thanks for watching, comment, subscribe, and stay tuned.